So we had an exciting day today. We moved the cows to the new pasture. We didn't really move them. They just ran the hell all over the place and scared the crap out of me and Sherry. We're chasing them down. Probably took us like 30 hours to get them over there in the new... Don't be laughing. What are you doing? Look, you got no clothes on. That's making the video. I don't even know where I was at. Okay, I gotta go inside. Okay. Have a great day. So we had an exciting day.